To all of you, and welcome to today's program. It gives me immense pleasure to present an account of the Golden Jubilee celebrations of BPHE Society. Certain occasions stand out for their historical significance and certain others for their significance in one's own life. The Golden Jubilee of BPHE Society combines both these significances. BPHE Society was founded on the firm grounds of values. The primary goal of the society was to perpetuate the legacy of our founder, the Reverend Dr. Bhaskar Pandurang Hiware, and to continue to realize his vision. The BPHE Society has catered to this destiny and in so doing has made a difference where it counts the most, in the lives of people who would have otherwise not accomplished what they did. The story of BPHE Society's growth cannot be seen in relation to its own proportions, but in the success of those who have benefited from its endeavors. Against this background of commitment and dedication of the BPHE Society to education and the needs of the nation, the glorious 50 years it has spent in the service of the diverse people is a magnificent achievement. We at Ahmednagar College have always been guided by the society's aims and objectives and its implicit values. Beginning its journey in 1969, the society has accomplished a lot in the last 50 years without wavering from its basic values and vision. In the year 2019, as the society completed 50 years of its operation, the BPHE Society rededicated itself to face the current challenges in education and carve a novel path for the 3 educational institutes under its jurisdiction. The BPHE Society's special moment was for all of us something to celebrate. And these celebrations were designed to benefit the students and society at large. With that in mind, the society chalked out several activities to be conducted throughout the Golden Jubilee year. Let me present a brief account of these. The inaugural function of the Golden Jubilee celebration was held on the 22nd of January 2019, which is the occasion of the birth anniversary of our founder, the Reverend Dr. Bhaskar Pandurang Hiware. On this occasion, a unique emblem representing the Golden Jubilee of the society was launched at the hands of the chairman BPHE Society, Dr. N.M. Ashton. Ahmednagar College arranged a photo exhibition on the history of BPHE Society on that occasion. Then in April 1969, it was in April 1969 that the society was registered, and hence on the 12th of April 2019, a grand function was organized. To mark the special occasion, a commemorative postal stamp was relieved. Dr. Sanjeevan Arsud, the Vice Chancellor of Spicer Advent University, Pune, was the chief guest for this function. And the chairman of the society, Dr. N.M. Ashton and Dr. Sanjeev Arsud, also released 3 books authored by Dr. Sarla Barnabas, covering the history of BPHE Society. The CSRD Institute of Social Work and Research organized a national conference on values, vision, and voices for sustainable rural development on the 13th and the 14th of December 2019. It also organized a state-level youth festival on the 11th and 12th December 2019. The broad theme of this youth festival was importance of higher education in rural development. As part of this youth festival, competitions were organized for individuals and for various groups. Street plays and social aware songs were also included. The CSID ISWR also produced a series of radio talks and interviews focusing on the legacy of BPHE Society, which were broadcast in January 2020. The Learning Resource Center of the IMS CDR organized a district-level essay writing competition. Students from the institutes under the BPHE Society as well as other institutes participated in these competitions. And we also saw the participation of the employees of BPHE Society and from the general public at large. Ahmednagar College, on its part, organized 2 T20 cricket competitions. One was an intercollegiate held in December, and the other was a state-level tournament held in January. While these programs commemorated the special occasion, each of the institutes also undertook several other student-centric and developmental activities. For the lack of time, I shall skip them. In conclusion, I would like to say that this would be an opportune moment to acknowledge the contribution of all the past and the present BPHE Society members and its office bearers for their valuable insight that have enabled the three institutes to grow and in turn facilitate innumerable beneficiaries. We have all benefited greatly from their wisdom, experience, and goodwill, and look forward to much of the same in the days to come. As they guide the BPHE Society to even greater heights, may God in His infinite love and mercy grant them the wisdom, the strength, and the legacy to perpetuate the mission of our noble founding fathers for many more years to come. Thank you all, and God bless you.